In this video, I will give you a challenge, a simple challenge, alright? By the way, you don't know how to do this thing. I will learn you by the end of this challenge lecture, alright? So don't you do this. I want you only to do these three inputs, alright? Now, I want you, when I click on name, I want it to go inside name, and I want to have this name ... placeholder and everything, alright? On email, on password, everything, alright? When I select a name, it will go inside. When I type, I can't type text. Here is the same, I can't type email, alright? And here's the same, I can't type, oops, let me just, alright? Now when I click on, what's wrong with that? Alright, when I want, there is something, okay, okay, I got the point. What I did basically, I put instead of this for on the password one, I said for email. So when I click on this one, it will go to the email. Let me just fix it and put password, alright? So this is basically your challenge. Now if I clicked on email, it will go email. If I password, it will go inside password. Now let me explain how I did this thing, alright? And okay, let me just resize it. Alright, now we are fine. How I did this thing, that I can choose my age from, for example, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 40 to 60. What I did is basically, let me just delete it. I label it first, said label your age, and what I did is basically make a tag called select, right? So this basically make you this thing that I can select multiple things, alright? But there is nothing inside it. I need to put some options so the user can choose anything. So let me just put some options, alright? You have to put option, for example, 20 to 40 or to 30 or anything you want. Now you will find this option, alright? Now let me just put it over here and over here. Now you can see that I have multiple of them. Alright, let me just change the values. For example, from 40 to 60. Right, and here is, let me just delete everything over here and let me say 60 plus. Alright, right, now as you see, look how cool it is. But there is something you can do also. When the user visits your website, you can put something to be selected at first. But in the meantime, now everything will be selected at this thing. The select option will choose the first thing you did, alright? So when he visits your website, he will find 20 and 40. What if you want, when he visits your website, to be 60 plus and he can choose anything he wants? Simple as that. You go to the 60 option and you make, I think, type, or let me just do it, type, not type, I think checked, I think. Alright, let me just refresh the page. No, not checked, I think selected. Alright, let me refresh. Alright, as you see, now when he visits your website, this thing will be selected because I added the selected attribute to this option. Did you get the point? But you will not want that. Everything will be selected at first. Alright, you can say, you can add an option saying like this thing, choose your age, right? Alright, you don't need the label because you will see why. Right, let me now refresh. Alright, as you see, it will tell you to choose your age, and you can choose wherever you want. Did you see? So this is pretty much it. See you in the next lecture.